Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a resume on LinkedIn. It is very simple. First, open LinkedIn. Here, you will see the Me option at the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings and Privacy. Then, a new window will appear. Here, you will see many options. You will find Data Privacy as the fourth option. Click on it. Scroll down and in the fourth tab, under Job Seeking Preferences, click on the first option, Job Application Setting. You can also use this method on mobile. Now, a new window has opened. Here, you will see the Upload Resume option. Remember, the resume you want to upload should be in DOC, DOCX, or PDF format, and the file size should not exceed 5 megabytes. Now, click on Upload Resume. A floating window will open. You can browse your computer to select the file. I have a resume available, but it's in PNG format, so I can't add it here and it's not showing up. Once you select your file and click OK, it will start appearing here. You can choose to delete it later or add more than one resume. Now, you have learned how to add a resume on LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.